Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this recipe, I will show you the delicious and the easiest 10 minutes biscuits you will ever make. It's crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. And if you bake them at home, you'll get a nice crisp crust. Let's get a start and buckled up with me. Do you know guys that you can make it in different ways? I recommend it with butter, but for today I will use vegetable oil. I wish this recipe gives you the answer that you're looking for. In a large bowl 1 egg. Then I will add half a cup of sugar. This recipe will be in the description box. So a half a cup of the sugar on the egg, and half a cup of vegetable oil. If you don't have the same measurement cup, use any cup. The type of this recipe, you don't need perfect measuring. That is why it's simple. Add a teaspoon of vanilla, or any flavor, like orange zest and cinnamon powder. Mix it well until it's combined. Until you see it looks like butter. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the notification bell button and subscribe to my channel. Next step to need to add the dry item. 1 cup and half of the flour, then a teaspoon of baking powder. That we need for this recipe. This version you can make it in 5 to 10 minutes. Just shape it. And cook it. Then serve it with your tea or lovely coffee. Aha! I just mentioned coffee. Check my link on the top right of the screen. I made Turkish coffee with pistachio and mastic gum. Knead it well with your hand or use a spatula, until it's smooth. Now I will cut it in half. Then I will add a teaspoon of cacao powder and a teaspoon of milk. If you feel needs to add milk, just because of the cacao, then add it. It's necessary somehow. I love to give you easy recipes, even if you don't have experience in cooking. I present simple cooking methods, to demystify the varying cuisines, around the world. I upload weekly recipe on Tuesday. If you have any suggested recipes, and you would like me to do it, please let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to watch more videos. And subscribe and hit the notification bell. To get more videos every week. Now it is ready. Take walnut-sized pieces from the dough. And roll into balls, then place the balls on a parchment-lined baking tray. And add the balls and make sure there is space in between each one. Make the shape as you wish it. Or just make simple round balls. Now I will preheat the oven, up to 180 degrees. After that we'll bake it for about 10 minutes. Now, start to make shapes. I am using the baker cutter. And you can use any shape. If you don't have the same, by using the edge of any cup or even you can use a fork. So hopefully, you guys to try this recipe, it will be up. If you want to try it out. I will catch you all in the next one. Wow! Now it's ready and looks gorgeous golden and crispy. After baking set aside to cool down. You can dust it with icing sugar before serving. Hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below, for further questions. Or for any suggested recipe, you would like me to do it next time. Forget to introduce myself. I am Roni, and I am a chef. My recipes are flavorsome treats, for those interested in cooking and eating. And I believe everyone can be a chef. At JUZ MUZ. Make sure you subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Peace.